Hey everyone, it's Mr. Fleece here, and today I'm back with an exercise that is really designed to help us see the colors of an object. Not just the colors that our brain says, oh hey, that's green, oh hey, that's blue, but the actual colors of an object. When you're able to train your eyes to see colors and to really observe the true color, the true values, and the true hues that you're seeing in an object, it will help you draw it more accurately in color. This applies to color pencil, this would apply to painting. Anytime that an artist is observing true color and trying to incorporate true color into their work, this exercise is designed for beginners to help start training your brain to see the colors that make up those everyday objects. Let's get in it. Wow! So the first thing we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to choose an object from around our home. I chose a flower. You can see it here. It's a cactus flower, and I really thought this was interesting because it had a variety of pinks and greens, and I thought this would be a great option for a color study. So then you're going to photograph that object to use as a photo reference. I also want you to duplicate that photo and throw a black and white filter on it, like you're seeing here. When you change a color photograph to black and white, it's easy to see the values. It helps us as beginning artists associate color to a value. Then the third thing we're going to do is we're going to draw it. Are you ready for it? We're going to draw the object, just the contours. What are contours? Contours are the lines that kind of outline the shape. So I'm going to start by drawing my cactus and drawing my flower. Then I want you to isolate drawing organic contour lines around the areas of different colors and different values. This is going to help you start to see just how many colors, how many values make up one simple pink flower.
So what might yours look like? This is an example of mine. I drew the contour outline of the flower, and then I drew the contour organic shapes of the different values of pink. And remember, this is an exercise in seeing. It's not about how well you draw your object, but really focus on isolating those different values and colors that you see with contour lines. It's an exercise in seeing.
And that's what I have for you for this exercise. So once you complete the exercise, I want you to upload a photograph of your drawing and the original photograph that you took as a reference so I can see what you started with and where you ended, and then I'll provide you some feedback, whether it be comments or in person. All right, I look forward to seeing what you're drawing. Good luck, and I can't wait to see them. Take care. Bye.